Okay, we didn't get, who's next? Sorry, I had it in my head, but then I forgot. Cheryl. Cheryl is tomorrow. I don't know where Cheryl. You got a surprise for us tomorrow, Cheryl? All right. There wasn't any suggestions today. Customer visits. Obviously, we have Subaru here today with Filtran, so we know about that. And then our audit is 12.2 and 12.3, our ISO audit. Subaru is going to be doing an audit here as well today, so everybody's aware of that. There wasn't any improvements today, okay? I'm going to put that on the floor first, just so I get a little more exercise, okay? Okay, all right. At Toyota, standards or standardization are the focus of our systematic improvement. The most visible standards are those associated with the 5S program, which everybody has always heard that, right? Sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. Sometimes we associate 5S with neatness and tidiness, so just cleaning up, right? In 5S, we can go beyond this and identify visually the standard and deviations from the standard. For example, if there's a garbage can with tape around it and it's labeled a garbage can, then there's a clear standard set for that garbage can. If a garbage can is missing, then there's a very clear to everyone that there is a problem. So if we have it taped off on the floor and it's not there, it's missing, right? Okay, so the thing with the 5S standards is everybody thinks it's about clean, but it's not. It's also about setting a visual standard, okay? If there's no square on the floor with a label, not everyone would know that there was supposed to be a garbage can there, and therefore it would not be a problem if it were not there. Often, someone from Toyota will go to the supplier and ask them to do 5S throughout their workplace before they will teach them anything else. This does provide some visual standards, but more importantly, it starts to emphasize to everyone the importance of basic discipline. At Toyota plants, 5S is also used as a teaching tool to emphasize the importance of standardization. At TMMK, the basic 5S program is consistent in the workplace and extends to all of the shop floor and support areas, so not just the production floor, all support areas, okay? The team members' break areas are well organized in neat and organized manner. It is clear and there are visible standards for where team members are to hang their coats, where their lunch boxes go, and how the break room should look when the bell rings for everyone to do their respective production process workstations, okay? There's a picture in the break room showing all the tables, clear with no magazines or newspapers, and the chairs pushed in ready for the next group to use. I think Dennis had brought it up the other day that when we come in the morning, the break room's kind of just a mess and there's a lot of stuff there. Again, it's about having standardization so that it's the same way for every single person, okay? Every shift that comes in, so when you walk into the room, the area, you can tell the things that are missing, the things that belong there, and the things that aren't clean and organized, okay?
That gets down to our core values here. Respect for the other person who's going to use it after you.